Hello everyone and welcome to Netplwiz. As a basic precautionary measure, Windows requires the entry of a password or PIN to grant access to the system. But what if you are the sole user of a device, stored in a secure location, inaccessible to others, and unlikely to be moved? At this point, the entry of a password or PIN becomes an unnecessarily burdensome step. In this tutorial, we will perform a simple and straightforward change to the configuration of the system which will bypass the traditional login methods yet allow personalised full access to a user account. If you've been following our tutorial series to date, you will have noted that on each restart of the system we have been required to input our PIN to access Windows. Alternatively, your system may be set up to accept a password. In either case, you are unable to proceed to the desktop without successfully negotiating this screen. So, we will enter our PIN for the final time. Click the Start icon in the lower left corner of the screen and type Netplwiz. Click on Netplwiz when it appears. You will be taken to the single screen used to make the necessary changes. A box is ticked which reads "Users must enter a username and password to access this computer." Untick that box and click Apply. You now need to enter the master password for your Windows account. Note that your PIN number will not work in this instance, and the password required is the one created during the Windows installation process. The password is entered twice to ensure accuracy. Then click OK. And click OK a second time. Once you restart your system, you will no longer be required to enter information at the login screen, and will progress immediately to your Windows desktop. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Hopefully you found it useful. If you'd like more, you are very welcome to subscribe to the Netplwiz YouTube channel by clicking on the subscribe button. Subscription is, of course, entirely free and provides easy access to all of the videos posted here. Clicking on the neighbouring bell icon means you will be notified whenever a new video is posted. Until your next tech fix, goodbye.